oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire Bakimazze Photo Studio ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 7 oba noti 7 noti 23 4 noti 5. Bakimazze Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.
Thank you very much, Madam Secretary, Madam President, the Cabinet, the SACCO Executive, the team from Microfinance, Namawulire, all protocol observed. We're very excited and encouraged to be here and be here with Microfinance Support Center. We've come a long way with you guys on board and on the team with us. Your support has been immense. We have clearly seen the growth expedited because of your input as microfinance. When you came with us and we traversed the nation, we went to so many different districts. Started with a number of maybe 800 membership, but we're now proudly counting over and above 4,000 people because of Microfinance Support Center coming on board with us. You have been an amazing partner, and I'll keep referring to you guys because you're representing the Microfinance Support Center, the whole team. And this was also a way for us that we eventually realized in our trips to Gulu. Abantu babadde babeera nnyo amazed about these trips to Gulu. We realized that you're actually a direct arm of government. So that means that government has always been interested in what we do. Otherwise, this partnership would not be existed. And we want to thank you for the things that you've done and helped us. And as the SACCO, where our mantra has become saving for music and wealth, we are learning and adapting, and you're helping us achieve a mindset change. Ffe tuli badongo tubadde twamanyira nnyo kagwirawo emmere yaffe eyaleero, cash and carry. Those are the languages that we understand. Simba nga tonnansasula, but we're learning more than that. Things to do with finance. We want to appreciate the trainings and the Zoom meetings that we've had even with the technical people, to where now the artist is starting to appreciate, to save. Tisente zonna zetufuna sizaakulya n'ennyimba zigenda zikyuka. Waliwo ennyimba zetubadde tukubanga nti bazimpe nzirye. So we're trying to change all of that, and all of that is thanks to the partnership with Microfinance. We thank you for the seed, the grant that was given to us of 100 million. 100 million ezo zaali zituleeteddemu n'ekizibu. Twazajjirako amateeka generally agabeera aga SACCO. Naye ne finding out, we realized very quickly that musicians are a very unique sector. And we were encouraged by the leadership at Microfinance to be innovative and tailor-make a product that would allow this unique sector to be able to have unique set of rules that would allow us to be able to participate and utilize the 100 million. And we developed, and we're proud to report that we developed a product we're calling one size fits all. Challenge that product is going to allow us to bypass some rigid mateeka. Challenge yali want to know, they gave us a grant, name was SACCO. You can only borrow if you have saved. Ngoguze ne shares. Now we are a unique sector, ebadde eri locked down for 2 years. there is no way we would be able to utilize. We ended up with 100 million on our account and we were wondering, so we developed a product that's going to allow us to, it's one size fits all, that everyone, we have almost now 100 members in the circle, and we're looking to grow that number. We're going to be able to loan money to all our members, one size fits all. We'll loan an amount. You take a portion of that amount and buy shares. So that way we can learn and almost kind of force ourselves to appreciate saving as a culture, that hence the mindset change. And all of this is thanks to the learning sessions that we've got from Microfinance Support Center. Now, the trips that we've gone to Gulu, again, Microfinance Support Center, the ED was there. And when we were there, we learned that our sector is actually very important and critical to whatever contribution goes to the GDP. We found out that in 2017, the creative arts industry, mostly so, the musicians' contribution towards the consolidated GDP was 3% of that GDP. We'll call a research about Google, 2017, and you guys can do this because I know you're but I'm only moving money. You can research and find out that the GDP was $30 billion in 2017. Bank of Uganda, take out audit yako, never finding that our contribution was 3%. If you do the math, it's close to $810+ million. That was our contribution without government's intervention. But now, with the likes of Microfinance Support Center coming to help the creative arts, the artists, helping UMA, I believe that we shall see a leapfrogging or a great growth in our contribution to the GDP of this country. So we want to continue this partnership. We were bold enough after learning all these things that our team with
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire Bakimazze Photo Studio ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala, ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabi ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: 0702 104 125 oba 0755 311 731 oba 0777 223 405. Bakimazze Photo Studio, ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.